guys that haven't tried these turbo cans, they are absolutely crazy. I showed them on the log splitter video. Go check out the log splitter video. But turbo can has a crazy wide spray pattern. It'll definitely get the job done. I'm even gonna paint the wheels, and I'm not taping off the rubber. All right, let's take a look. And this is old wood. I'm just gonna use it for now. There you go. I'm gonna replace all these lights. All right, folks, I need you to do me a favor. Like, comment, subscribe, join the channel, join the family. Roots and Wrenches is all about wrenching on things, homesteading, gardening, beekeeping, anything you can think of in the daily life of somebody that's not afraid to get out and get after it. Appreciate y'all. All right, family, so here is the current state of the project. So I know I have not been recording like I should. I kind of just hop into things. Put an ammo can up front. We'll paint that black here soon to hold all of the straps and everything. I've got new lights already and wires, so we're gonna rip all the wires out, replace the lights. I've added the reflective tape. All right, let's talk about what's left to do. So what's left to do is we've got to paint the ammo box. We've got to install the new trailer wiring. We're gonna take this light out and we're gonna put one light here and one light there. I want this little thing to be as visible as freaking possible. So we're gonna do that. We're going to re-grease and clean out and fill up this bearing on whichever side I didn't do last time. I'll have to look at the video and see which direction the trailer was facing. Got brand new lights. The lights are LED and waterproof, so if I use it for the trailer for the kayak, we won't hurt the lights. So I've got to figure out the plan for the tailgate. So I've got the tailgate so that it sits down in there, but the overall plan is to be able to take it out with hooks of some type on this top piece. Hooks of some type on this top piece to be able to sit right into that pocket to be a ramp. Hey people, all right, welcome back. So today, first I gotta apologize before I show you the trailer. I have done a ton of work and did not film it, doing it at nighttime, bad light, or didn't feel like recording anything like that. So I'm sorry for that. All right, so let's talk about it. So ripped all the old wiring out, put brand new wiring in. I put reflectors down the side of the entire trailer, new tires and wheels, replaced both wheel bearings. I'm sorry, I didn't replace the wheel bearings. I cleaned them and greased them and packed both bearing buddies full of grease. I installed new lights, yellow up front, red at the back. We will pull the plastic off of these. Let's got another light there. Also turns on with the blinker. Get the plastic off of this one as well. Now, as you can see, I put the sides on. They are not quite finished because I need to order different brackets here. They're great. They're super heavy duty, but they're just more than than what I feel like I need right now. So I'm gonna change those. Um, as you can see, we've got this'll pull up tight once that's fixed. I also added hold downs, 4 hold downs inside the trailer. What else? Added this Harbor Freight ammo can here on this crossbar to store the straps. Yeah, so that's it, guys. All right, so for all of you that have been watching throughout the whole video, I really appreciate it. Like I said, we're trying to grow subscribers. Don't forget, like and subscribe. This here is the Harbor Freight foldable trailer that we bought off of the marketplace for $120. So as you know, they're new, they're $6.99. Bought it for 120 bucks. My wood was probably $65. My wheels, I already had them. This tape was another 20 bucks. The light was $25. Ammo can already had. These were $25, the brackets for the top, and I already had the hold downs. So altogether, I'm gonna put the total somewhere around here. Again, like, comment, subscribe.